Welcome to Tiny Tile. Today we're going to paint tile together. I'll show you each step one by one. In this video, you'll learn lots of techniques to use and other painting on tile by yourself. And stay until the end and see the beautiful result. So first, I have a small tile. It's 2.5 by 2.5 centimeters. Of course, you can use any size you like. The first thing we need to do is remove the shiny glaze on the surface so the paint can stick better. We'll do the using both coarse and fine sandpapers. Next, let's talk about the materials. I'm using acrylic paints and two brushes, one super tiny for details and one a few sizes bigger. For choosing a design, you can go on a Pinterest and search painting tile. For this video, I picked this design. Then I lightly sketch the design on the tile using a pencil. Now I'm putting some brown acrylic paint on my palette and thickening it with a bit of water until it's nice and smooth. And now we start carefully painting all the parts. Remember to always clean your brush completely after you finish a color. Acrylic paint can ruin your brush if you dries on it. Since I'll be using blue again later, I spray a little water on my palette to keep the paints from drying out. When everything's done, make sure your tile is completely dry. Then apply a layer of varnish to give it a nice glossy finish. I'm using a gel top coat, the same kind used for nails. Sometimes it gets tiny bubbles, so I carefully use a lighter over the surface, flip the tile and tap gently to even it out. Then I cure it under a UV lamp, but don't worry, if you don't have a UV lamp, this gel also dries quickly under sunlight. And here's the final result. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. See you in the next one. Bye!